2021 Tesla Model Y. Wow, 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 wow. Welcome, my name is Shervin. I'm gonna walk you through the Tesla insurance. My name is Shervin. Our channel is Shervin. Tesla insurance, what it's like, what are the different options are, and how you go about purchasing Tesla insurance on the website. Initially, this was all grayed out, but now that my car delivery is tomorrow, I pick it up, you can see the dates right there. I have an option, it says I can use my own insurance. If I go ahead and click that, you can go ahead and drag and drop file, paste your insurance card right over there. There's certain states where you don't need to have your VIN on your insurance yet to take delivery, but as long as it's valid. And I live in California, that's one of these 12 states, don't need it. But I'm just gonna get the insurance anyways, just for now, because this car is going to be a surprise to the family, and I don't wanna kill a surprise. We can change the insurance later. Go ahead, purchase Tesla insurance. It's gonna redirect you from Tesla.com to TeslaInsuranceServices.com. It'll give you an initial quote, pretty basic. It has your driving experience, amount of years, driver's license number, your birthday, the policy start date, which is the day you pick up the car. This one is $147. I think it was $153 until I changed something, but you can go ahead and say edit coverage. Inside of here is where you can actually update the details for your insurance, and that will change the price. So I'm gonna try to see how low I can get it as well as how high I can get it, so you can get a feel for the range. One of the things I played with was the vehicle usage. Right now it's on business use, and that was kind of the lowest price I could get. If I change it to pleasure with 10,000 miles, it goes to $155.29 for 6 months. And then I think they re-update as they update your mileage. Let's try long commute. $147.90. Better than pleasure. Short commute, $153.81. So pleasure is the most expensive, business use and long commute are the cheapest. I'm gonna go with business because the whole goal is to use this on Turo, Uber, as well as for this YouTube channel. Now, let's play around with a little bit of the numbers. Policy coverage, liability, the base ones is $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident, $50,000 property, $30,000 person, $60,000 per accident, uninsured motorist, $3,500 uninsured motorist property damage. Within here, for liability, you have all of these options if you want to go in there and pick one. For property damage, you have $5,000 all the way up to $100,000. For uninsured motorist bodily injury, you have declining all the way up to $100,000. Uninsured motorist, you have decline or $3,500. Medical payments, you can have a decline all the way up to $50,000 per person. This is for vehicle. The next category is vehicle coverages, then jump to medical. Collision coverage, you can decline as well all the way up to $5,000. Comprehensive non-collision, you can decline as well as all the way up to $5,000. Rental reimbursement, you can have in-network or all these options from $30 a day up to $500 a day. And roadside assistance, you can have basic or plus, where plus gets you an extra 100 miles. I don't think I need that right now. So what we'll do is we'll keep those as is. We'll actually update the miles to 15,000 miles, save and return. Let's see how much the pricing changes depending on the mileage. So I went from $147 to $162 per month. Let's choose 12,000 miles. 12,500, middle way. So 147, 162. I am 28 years old and I've had about 12 years of coverage. Got my license right when I was 15. 153. It is the pandemic, so we're not gonna drive a lot. I'm gonna put 10,000 miles. Now, let's just increase all these up to the highest possible and see how expensive the Tesla insurance gets. 1 million. We're a millionaire everywhere, baby. $1 million liability coverage. $1 million, baby. Oh, this is already maxed out. $50,000. $5,000. $5,000. $500 a day. We're going all out to the extreme. Plus, save and return to quote. Let's see, 100? Oh, okay, it went up like $26. Not that much. That's not too crazy, not bad. $161? Really? Okay. All right, we're gonna change this to in-network. Back to 1,000. Collision coverage 1,000. Medical payments 5,000. Save and return. Oh, it went up to $179. What is this? This doesn't make sense at all. Uninsured, okay. Let's go, let's decline everything. How cheap can we get it? Like, what's the minimum insurance you actually need? I honestly don't know. Boom, we're down to $124. The cheapest I could actually find was a minimum $48 a month, damn. That's not bad at all. But you've got barely any coverage, I'll tell you that. So I'll play around with it, maybe we'll get it to like $100. Garaging address, that's cool. Primary driver, see if I can change the primary driver to be somebody older with more experience, it could be lower. Collision coverage is required. We should have put the deductible lower. Let's do a $1,500 deductible. $2,500 deductible. Save and return. What are we at? Give me a new number. From $68, we are at $132. Ah, that's still a lot. Don't plan to do any of these things. And the money number is $122 a month, which, no hidden fees or charges, the total premium for your 6-month policy is $732.05. I'm gonna keep playing with these numbers and we'll come back. So I kind of played with the numbers a little bit in terms of insurance. Here's the screen recording, bam. And we got 50,000 liability. These are kind of the numbers if you want to look on vehicle coverage, all that jazz, 10,000 miles business use. And I am going to do this $116, still a little high for insurance that I really don't, but yeah, you know, you gotta pay insurance, but I'm gonna go with this for now and then we'll explore after the fact once I've kind of showed this off. Add card. The real thing is, can we pay my Tesla insurance with Bitcoin? That is the question. We're gonna put this card on there and see what happens. Might as well, right? If I can't pay for the down payment and the order fee with Bitcoin, we're gonna attempt that right here, right now. All right, we added the card. My BitPay Bitcoin credit card is now added. Let's see if it works. Purchase policy. What? That's some bull. Take two, we're gonna try this again. We have a regular credit card on. Purchase policy. It's so slow.
A few moments later.
Boom, you are covered. We got the policy number, view coverage summary. There we go. 2021 Tesla Model Y. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice. I get my insurance card, download endorsement. If I want to update my policy, this is through state national companies, NAIC. Policyholder policy period is December 7th to June 7th. Has my deductibles, liability, additional coverage all here. This is what the policy declarations looks like. This is my Tesla insurance card. So we'll print this one out. I wish it was like laminated or something. And then finally, we will save this and we will save this one as well. Make sure you have digital versions of them, right? You don't want it just printed. Other than that, we have our numbers. We can add other drivers, make changes, we call that number, and maybe we'll set a reminder to call that. Back to my account. All right, we're back on the Tesla homepage. We can go. We still have 0 referrals, so make sure you use my referral link down below. When you order your Tesla, we want to get 1,000 supercharger miles each. Go ahead and click manage. I really want to get the solar roof. And as we can see here, it says Shervin's Tesla. Please pay off your remaining balance prior to delivery. I thought we already did. Insurance, you're all set. This policy will activate on your effective date. Has my policy number, my agent's phone number, as well as my name, this little sample card. I can manage my policy. Agreements are done. Final payment is done. That's pretty much it, y'all. Price details are right here if I need to see the price details. And I have just done something, probably the craziest thing in my entire life. I don't know how I submit my payment. I already logged into my bank account. It knows how much money I have. I can add it to my calendar. That's cool. Tesla delivery appointment.
Good morning. I'm thinking to add driver to the existing policy on insurance policy. Would it make it less expensive or more expensive adding drivers? So how much does it increase?
It looks like increasing it would add $15.05 for the remainder of the term.
If you want to see delivery day, what that experience is like, as well as surprising my family with it, subscribe.